Good morning, one and all. I am Srishti Patil. Today, I am giving some information about digital image processing. Outlines are: what is image processing, purpose of image processing, types of image processing, future scope, advantages and disadvantages, conclusion. So, what is image processing? Digital image processing means processing digital image by means of digital computer. We can also say that it is a use of computer algorithm in order to get an enhanced image. Image processing generally refers to processing of two-dimensional pictures, and by two-dimensional picture we implies a digital image. A digital image is an array of real or complex number represented by a finite number of bits. But now, in these days, optical and analog image processing is also possible. Components required for image processing are image sensor, image displays, image processing softwares like OpenCV, MATLAB, CIMG, image processing hardwares and memory. Steps of image processing are image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, image compression, morphological processing, image segmentation, representation and description, recognition and interpretation, knowledge base. Let's see purpose of image processing. Visualization: observe the objects that are not visible. Image sharpening and restoration: to create a better image. And retrieval: seek of image of interest. Measurement of pattern: measures various objects in an image. And image recognition: distinguish the objects. So let's see types of image processing: analog image processing, digital image processing, optical image processing. Now, these are the future scope of image processing. We all are in midst of revolution ignited by fast development in computer technology and imaging. Against common belief, computers are not able to match humans in calculation related to image processing and analysis. But with increased sophistication and power of modern computation will be go beyond conventional von Neumann sequential architecture and would contemplate the optic execution too. Let's see advantages and disadvantages of image processing. In advantages, this one is more accurate than the overlapping method. It is an interactive method for recognizing fingerprints. In disadvantages, it is more time consuming as compared to the former and more complex program. So, we conclude that using image processing techniques, we can sharpen the image contrast to make a graphical display more useful for displaying, reduce amount of memory requirements for storing the image information. Due to such techniques, image processing is applied in recognition of image as in factory floor quality assurance system, image construction as in plastic surgery design systems. And finally, thank you.